Hello, my name is Mario and I am a lame. I ain't got no hose, I never change my clothes, I ain't got no money and I do eat turkey cues. I live on a farm and I am a faja and don't nobody know me. I'm a kid, I'm only 13 years old. I act 15 on me's.com. Nobody in me's nation likes me because I'm fake and I think I'm all that on me's.com, and I act like I'm rich in real life and I act like I'm sexy boy around, but I look like a hunter in real life. I'm 13 and I got face hair. I look ugly as fuck and I always wear a snake around my neck like I'm man versus wild, but I ain't. I wish I was because I'm a failure and a lame. My mom whoops me and tell me she wish she never had me and I am the only kid she hate. But on me's.com I act like I have a little brother that's 5 and I act like I have a 20-year-old sis, but I don't. I'm just a little nigga. I'm a lame, so I will jump off a bridge and skeet squat up a river and groan with eye fishing, and my username is xmarioxp. Skeetles. I'm out.